Hey, this is Luke from Miss Kelly's class. We are from Cherokee Trail Elementary. Here is a little bit about our state, Colorado.
Our state animal is the bighorn sheep.
Our state insect is the hair-streaked butterfly.
The state bird of Colorado is the lark bunting.
The Colorado state flower is the Rocky Mountain columbine.
The state fish is the green trout cutthroat. Trout.
This is our state gemstone. It's called the aquamarine.
This is Mesa Verde National Park. People used to live there a long, long time ago, and it's in Colorado.
Colorado made the first cheeseburger, and now people eat them with joy.
The wooden merry-go-round is the oldest merry-go-round. People used to love it.
The Denver airport is twice the size as Manhattan.
We have 24 teachers in our school. They are really nice.
We have 463 people that go to this school.
Colorado.